So our next destination will be Tempozan Ferris Wheel. Okay, right over there. It's a long walk. One thing I can say about Osaka is pachinko everywhere. Wow. So I'll see you there. Bye. There you go. Tempozan Giant Ferris Wheel, 112 meter.
顔や手などを出すと危険です。さらにお乗りください。
Ferris wheel 800. ちょっと待って。
黄色い線の内側にお乗りください。
This one.
This right there.
Yes. One. Over here. Yeah? I think I saw an explosion just now. And yeah, the floor is a see-through floor. There's a menu. What do you want to eat? Look at that. Wow. That is Kaiyukan Aquarium, I think. One of the biggest aquarium in the world. We're so high up in the sky. Tempozan Ohashi Bridge, Ajigawa River, Osaka swimming pool. Where is it? Oh, Kyocera Dome, Osaka. Mount Ikoma. Can see anything like that. And here, from here you can see Hotel Seagull. Oh, right over there. Hotel Seagull, Cosmo Tower, Asia Pacific Trade Center. Where is it? Osaka. Oh no, it's right over there. It's different direction. Osaka Aquarium Kaiyukan. Yumeshima Island. That one. The port. Okay, from here, that's Yumeshima Island, Mashima Island, Ajigawa River, West Disposal Factory, Morocco, Konohana Ohashi Bridge, Hanshin Expressway 109. Look at this, those two down there. Okay, we almost reached the peak. We're at the top. This is the highest point of this Ferris wheel. Oh, don't stop. Oh, I thought it was stopping. Look down there. Just take a look down there. Man, gegar lutut. The peak? Oh, we're going down now. Yeah, the red beach. Really scared right now. I'm holding this rail just to comfort myself. I'm okay. I'm okay. I hope this is only one round. That's the entrance to the aquarium. Maybe I should go there. Should I? What time is it right now? It's 2:43. I think I should go to Osaka instead. Look there. We're going down. We're going down. We're going down. Hey.